We had the most wonderful driver who not only picked us up, but since my friend had a disability, he parked the car in the airport garage and insisted on walking us all the way to the handicapped check-in area. Please commend him. We booked an airport transfer in Lisbon. The operator be driven were super helpful and efficient. I highly recommend and will use the Viator service again. Awesome experienced driver. He was on time and very helpful. We always use Viator transport whenever traveling. Never a disappointments. He was very prompt and friendly. Loaded all our luggage and we had a lot of it. I would use this service again. Excellent Lisbon transportation. The driver was on time with a clean roomy vehicle. He took us straight to the airport and helped us with our luggage. Thank you for a great experience. The company had great communication and kept me informed the day before and day of transfer. The driver was on time. Nice comfortable car and very pleasant conversation even though didn't speak a lot of English. Driver was very courteous and helpful. Highly recommend. We were kept well informed of the pickup time and place plus the driver was very polite, friendly and helpful. It's good to know we'll have assistance when traveling. On the second use, we were frustrated by the transfer not being fulfilled. But that was resolved, even after the inconvenience, with the hotel transfer to the port of Miami. This airport shuttle was on time and the driver was friendly and helpful. He made sure we arrived at the right terminal at the airport so it was easy for me. Driver was on time and professional. Knew how to find the cruise terminal and helped with all our luggage. The driver was very kind and helpful. The trip was quick and hassle-free. I would definitely recommend it. Came to hotel well in advance of pickup time. Very efficient, helpful and polite. Assisted with our luggage. Recommended. Easy process. Punctual pickup and efficient transport. Helpful with luggage. Professional. No issues. When we came down to the lobby of our hotel, the car was already waiting for us. We checked out of the hotel and proceeded to the vehicle with our luggage. The vehicle was very clean, the driver was very nice and had a good conversation on the way to the cruise terminal. Gracias.